Okay, so here we are with part 3, and the first thing I'm going to try is taking out the graphics card and see if that fixes anything, because that's really the only thing that could be causing the issue. Everything else is stock. So I'm going to pull that out real quick. Okay, I got the HD 6770 out. I don't know where to put it. Yeah, I'll look right here. And I plugged it back in with the VGA cable because this was using an adapter. Maybe the adapter is the problem. I don't know. I hope not. Well, anyways, I'm gonna plug it back in above me. Wait, why? Oh, this is behind me. That's why. Okay, here we go. It's all plugged in, and let's power back on. You guys hear that? I do. What does that mean? I'm gonna see if there's any like errors on the back, like how Dells have them. Don't look like it. I don't know. That at least opens, right? Ocean right there. Okay, maybe this will bring a different result. Well, let's turn the power supply off. On? Nope. Okay, that's probably not good for anything. Oh man. I do have one more idea. One more idea. Let me think. I'll be right back. This is my answer. A Hitachi Death Star. This is good, which is kind of sketchy, but you know, whatever. And you're like, why are you using this? That's because apparently this has Windows 7 on it. Legal or not, I'm not sure. Either way, I'm just using it to get drivers. And I'll just, if it's easier to upgrade from 7 to 10 using the accessibility trick, then I'll do it that way, I guess. I keep turning this around, I don't know why. So I guess I'll do that, I don't know. So I'm gonna hook that up real quick. Okie dokie, it's in, boot her up, I guess. Beep codes again, why is that? I put a different graphics card in. Oops. What? Now it works? So apparently the integrated graphics are turned off or don't work or something. Well, I'm gonna have to grab my adapter so I can use the graphics card since it's a DVI graphics card. Okay, I got it working, and well, I don't even know what this is. So, you know, we're gonna turn her off, turn her on, and see what it actually boots up to, like, from the beginning, since we missed half of it. Okay, HP. Yep, had that before. I unhooked the SSD totally, so yeah. Well, apparently it's whatever this is. It might be some kind of server, from what I know, because who I got this from was running a Minecraft server off this, so it might be some kind of server software. I don't even know right now. It's because of this hard drive. let's see what happens when I like boot into the SSD. There's one thing I could do, and that could be I got like an adapter thing to use hard drives for with USBs. So I might do that and wipe my SSD and install Windows 10 on the SSD from my laptop, and not do it this painful way, and just end the series now. So I'm just gonna try one more thing real quick. Last try. No beep. That's good. It's hooked up. It's hooked up to the SSD. That's what I did. So it'll boot on into whatever's on the SSD, which could be Windows 10 for all I know. If I need to, I'll install drivers. But if it's just this graphics card that works and the other one doesn't, then whatever. I'll use this graphics card to install drivers. But this is like the best computer I have out of all of them. Ubuntu. Okay, we're done. I need to format this drive, wipe everything off it. That's a problem. This is a problem with my other machine too. It kept its loading into Ubuntu. Okay, well, whatever. Thanks for watching this series. Probably won't be another video because it's all boring formatting and stuff. Maybe an overview video, and I do like a whole workshop tour once the desk is built, which it'll probably be built by the time this video's up, because to be totally honest, it's spring break right now, and this is probably going to be uploaded in the summer from what I can tell because my queue is quite big, because I filmed like a bunch of videos over spring break. Well, whatever. Thanks for watching.